Hey everyone, welcome back to tamasarkarart. Today with this oil paint portrait of Úrsula Corberó, aka Tokyo from Money Heist, let us discuss about how to increase your productivity. But before diving into that discussion, let me quickly tell you what I am using for this painting. Well, I am working on 160 GSM A3 sized gessoed paper and I am using colors from Pebeo, Canleen and Sennelier. And the brushes are from Faber-Castell, they are synthetic brushes. So in the beginning you all need to draw the rough sketch first. I have drawn the sketch with graphite pencils with the help of grit method, and after that I have applied gesso onto it. You need to work with the darker areas first. Chalk out the darker areas like the eyelids, eyes and the corners of the lips and the hairline, and then start applying the tonal values. So let me quickly introduce you all with Tokyo. Many of you are familiar with this character if you have watched Money Heist. Tokyo is a fictional character in the Netflix series Money Heist, portrayed by Úrsula Corberó. She is a member of the heist crew who set to rob the Royal Mint of Spain. The professor was the first person who met Tokyo in the crew and was one who saved her from a life spent in jail. Tokyo is an interesting character. She can be very impulsive and immature, at times letting her relationship with Ryo complicated the plans a number of times. Tokyo is confident and doesn't mind using her looks and sexuality to her advantage. However, her love for Ryo is genuine, which shows how she can be very productive and loving with the people she truly cares about. Well, there were many who were really annoyed by this character because of her wrong decision and impulsive nature, but these complications attracted me to paint her. So I gave her a try. You can also check out my painting on the professor I made a few months back. I'll drop the link in the description box below. So let's dive into that discussion which I mentioned earlier, how to increase your productivity. Sometimes it is very tempting to look at highly productive people as machines or wizards, but they are normal human beings like me and you are. But if we study how they are working efficiently and overcoming their challenges, it is not really impossible to boost up your productivity and achieve your goals. So first things first, you need to focus on which is the most important task of the day. So it's easy to spend the whole day checking off what to do, what not to do, what are important, what are less important. But if you spend a few minutes in the beginning of your day and choose one or two or three most important tasks of the day, then and you stick to that, no matter what you do, you need to finish that work at the end of the day. And with a renewed focus on what is important to you, it is easier for you to create a meaningful to-do list get done. According to Laura Ernest, there is a difference between being efficient and being effective. Both are required for the peak of productivity, but being efficient is doing things right, but being effective is doing the right things. So most of the productive people does what they choose the things which are right for them, and they accomplish that in an efficient way. So these are the things you need to identify, means which job is right for you, which task is right for you. There is no hurry or no rush for you to get everything done on a single day or in a single go, because it is not possible to get everything done on a single go. So second on the list comes to cultivate deep work. Sometimes we have few tasks on our list which are fun to do, which are interesting to do, but some tasks are there which are important, you do that on a regular basis, and which are very cumbersome and intense, and no matter what, you need to complete or do that work, and you cannot multitask your way to finish them. You need to devote your serious time and mental effort to get those tasks done. These jobs are known as deep work, or deep task. To do this kind of deep work or deep task, you need to be very much attentive to that work. But you know what, if you schedule a particular amount of time of a day to that deep work, it will be easier for you to get that done. Know your work habits, like what is the best way you are comfortable to work with. Are you comfortable in working in an isolation, or you are comfortable working with your family and friends nearer to you? You just know your work habits and just set aside some time for that deep work. You can also try to keep a distraction list. Means while doing that deep work, it may happen that you may get distracted with a few things, like checking an email, replying to a message, or checking out on notifications on social media. These are important. I won't say that these are not important. These are important, but while doing that deep work or the intense job, you need to be very much concentrated on that job. So for this reason, keep a distraction list, and no matter what happens, you are not going to get distracted when you are in that deep work. So guys, this painting is done. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section below how much you liked it. And please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for more painting video updates. I wish you all have a great day, and I wish to see you soon in my next painting video. Till then, stay safe, take care of yourself, and be more and more productive. Bye bye.